cashew curry, shrikhand, malai sandwich, kheer, sheer kurma, cream kofta, sweet condensed milk, Indian cookie, butterscotch ice cream, and various delicacies like these have one ingredient common in them. All these delicacies won't be authentic if they are short of that one ingredient, that is, cashew. Any sweet dish prepared during our Indian festivals has an undoubted use of cashews. How the cashew nut is processed in Paranjpe Agro Products is what we are going to watch now, but not before knowing the history of this favorite nut in India. Basically, cashew nuts are not produced in India at all. Portuguese used to plant the seeds of cashew to avoid the erosion of soil in the regions of Konkan belt on the western coast of India. Yet, due to the scarcity of cashew processing units and lack of mechanism, very few were keen on producing cashew. However, Paranjpe Agro Products has brought a radical change in this situation. In order to bring us the best cashew, a very well nurturing of these cashews, that is, a dutiful processing of this nut, is done by Paranjpe Agro Products. Let us now get introduced by the proprietor, owner and co-founder of this factory, Mr. Hrishikesh Paranjpe. Hrishikesh Paranjpe stepped into business at the age of 8 by selling a regional yearly calendar. The margin he used to earn then was just 50 paise. A deep study and research was done to select the suitable business for lifetime. Months and years went by to rise a day with a big dream brought to life. Paranjpe Agro Products India Private Limited. We are witnessing a rare opportunity of closely experiencing and understanding the process that goes behind the sweet white nut that comes to you. So, let us get ready for the ride that will make you love this dry fruit much more than you all can expect. The process of cashew nut commences with the seed of the cashew being twisted and separated from the cashew apple, and only then it is brought to the factory for key processing of the seed. The seeds are brought in the factory from Konkan as well as other major cashew producing countries. These seeds are stored very carefully after considering the factors like appropriate temperature and humidity, pest-free storerooms and other external mechanical damages. Once the seeds are brought and stored with utmost care, they are dried on the drying yards for 3 whole days. Machines like sucker and spreader play a vital role in spreading and collecting the huge quantity of seeds spread on the drying yards. These machines save a lot of time and energy that was lost when this was done manually. These seeds that are collected are then put into the boiler and are steamed for approximately half an hour. Paranjpe Agro Products boasts of the capacity of boiling 1 ton seeds in just 1 hour. After the steaming, the seeds are spread again to cool down for 12 hours at the normal room temperature before they are taken to the gradation for cutting and deshelling. These seeds are then sorted according to their size so that they can be put in the cutting machines of the specific grade, E grade being the smallest and A being the biggest. In the process of cutting, the shell of the cashew is cut from the middle and the nut is separated from that shell. Previously, this process was carried out manually by the hand-leg machine. Back then, on an average, one person could cut 20 kilos of cashews in one day. But with the better cutting-edge technology at Paranjpe Agro Products, 15 kilos of cashew is cut just in 1 hour. This too did save a lot of time and efforts. But this new technology gave birth to a funny problem in the distribution of cashews, which Mr. Paranjpe himself would like to share with you.
ऑटोमायझेशनचा तुम्हाला गमतीशीर किस्सा सांगतो. ज्यावेळेला आमच्याकडे मॅन्युअल कटिंग व्हायचं, मॅन्युअल कटर्सवरती कटिंग व्हायचं, तेव्हा तुकड्याचं पर्सेंटेज आपल्याकडे 30% होतं. पण ज्यावेळेला आम्ही ऑटोमॅटिक कटर्स वापरायला सुरुवात केली तेव्हा तेच पर्सेंटेज 3 वरती आलं. सो कमर्शियल इट इज ऑलवेज बेनिफिशियल की अख्खा काजू जास्ती निघतोय, तुकडा बनत नाहीये. पण आम्ही आमच्या क्लायंट्सला काय सांगणार होतो की आता आम्ही मशीन वापरायला सुरुवात केली आणि आम्ही आता तुकडा देऊ शकत नाही. लिटरली आम्हाला लोकांकडनं बाहेरनं तुकडा विकत घ्यावा लागला छोट्या छोट्या युनिट्सकडनं आणि त्यांची ऑर्डर कंप्लीट करावी लागली. ॲज अ बिझनेसमॅन ती फार आनंदाची गोष्ट होती की तुकडा होत नव्हता, पण हे फारच गमतीशीर होतं कारण आम्ही आमच्या लोकांना जबरदस्ती तुकडा करा हे सांगू शकत नव्हतो आणि ॲक्युरसी फारच वाढली होती.
After the process of deshelling, these cashews are sent to Borma process. In this process, the cashew is steamed again for 7 hours at the temperature of 60 degrees Celsius. Because of this, the process of peeling the cashew cover becomes easier and also the original color of the cashew is retained. After deshelling and Borma, the next step is of separating the cashew from its cover. An automized machine is brought into use for this peeling. Even after that, peeling is not 100% accurate, and thus the covers that are left on the cashews after the processed batch in the machine are then peeled off manually. The whole process together is called the peeling process. Right after the peeling process, the cashew is sent to the grading process. This grading is responsible to get the right price in the market. The cashews are graded according to its color and size. This grading is done with reference to the Cashew Export Promotion Council of India. Rest of the cashews which are difficult to be sorted by machines are then sorted manually according to their exact grade for accuracy. This process is done by the experts. The ready cashew is then sent to the packaging department for being packed. For the purpose of undamaged transport, the cashew is filled in the boxes weighing 10 kg each, which are vacuumed and replaced with carbon dioxide before being sealed. This enables preservation of packed cashews for at least the next 4 months. The process of extracting oil from the shells of the cashew seed is also being carried at Paranspe Agro Products. This is called CNSL, Cashew Nut Shell Liquid, and is used for waterproofing, shoe polish and whiting. Also, the cake of the oil extracted shells is used as a source, producing fire for other purposes. After watching the whole process, you might have noticed one more thing, and that is female employees at Paranspe Agro Products. Paranspe Agro Products is a reason why many women are living independently with their heads high, and many are contributing financially in the betterment of their family. Another important process that is exclusively done at Paranspe Agro Products is the flavoring of cashews. It has introduced to us 16 different flavors of cashews. An application of a secret recipe on one of the top graded cashews includes seasoning of a desired flavor, and a product is made which is tempting beyond expectations. Why is cashew so deeply rooted in most of the Indian sweet dishes? Why is the whole world crazy for cashews? There is only one explanation to it. The cashews are loved by people of all age groups. The staff at Paranspay Agro Products is enthusiastic, disciplined and hardworking. In the overall achievement and the growth that this company experiences, its sincere staff should be equally credited. We were curious to know that in spite of various lucrative business options available, what was the reason that Mr. Paranspay zeroed down to cashew processing?
काजू प्रोसेसिंगच का? कारण काजू प्रोसेसिंग एक तर पहिली महत्त्वाची गोष्ट की आम्ही रत्नागिरीत प्लेस्ड आहोत आणि रत्नागिरी आणि सिंधुदुर्ग हे सगळ्यात जास्ती काजू प्रोसेसिंग बेल्ट आहेत. त्यामुळे रॉ मटेरियल अवेलेबिलिटी इज गुड हिअर. त्याच्यानंतर दुसरी गोष्ट, अनलाईक अल्फान्सो, काजू प्रोसेसिंग हे 12ही महिने चालणारं काम आहे आणि ह्याच्यामध्ये भारताला फॉरेन करन्सी भरपूर मोठ्या प्रमाणावरती मिळते. त्यामुळे काजू प्रोसेसिंग करून मॅक्झिमम मायलेज घेणं हा आमचा पहिलं या गोष्टीचा विचार होता.
The secret of the success of any entrepreneur is his ultimate dream. What is the dream of this young tycoon is what we asked him.
आमचं स्वप्न भारतातले जे लीडिंग स्टॉक एक्सचेंज आहेत, म्हणजे बॉम्बे स्टॉक एक्सचेंज असेल किंवा NSE असेल, याला आमची कंपनी लिस्ट करणं हे आमचं पहिलं ड्रीम आहे. दुसरं ड्रीम आहे की भारतातला सगळ्यात मोठा एक्सपोर्टर बनणं. बिकॉज आमची सिम्पल फिलॉसॉफी आहे, इफ यू वॉन्ट समथिंग आउटस्टँडिंग यू शुड डू समथिंग आउटस्टँडिंग. आणि आम्ही ऑलरेडी त्या दृष्टीने एफर्ट्स घेतोय आणि वी आर ऑन द पाथ ऑफ इट.
After experiencing this little ride of the cashew factory, we are sure that you must be tempting to have some pea for cashews too. After knowing all sorts of hardships the cashew nut goes through before reaching you, you must have figured out why this little dry fruit is so expensive. We hope the little trip of this big world of Paranspays and cashews was worthwhile and informative. Thank you.